We all know what to eat. It's just terrible to eat that way. My name is Dr. Visentin. I've been studying nutrition my entire adult life. Let's face it, if you eat correctly, sometimes it's just terrible. It tastes like dirt. If you eat kale, it's just awful. And I'm about to show you how to make a summer smoothie that's delicious, that's quick, that's easy, that's tasty, that'll energize your system, that's filled with vitamins and minerals that'll keep you healthy. Antioxidants that help prevent cancer. Vitamins and nutrients that help build your resistance naturally, energize the system, and are just wonderful for you. But I'm going to use some ingredients that you wouldn't necessarily think of in the morning. Let's face it, if you ate a diet rich in kale like you know you should be doing, it's a little tedious. It tastes a little like dirt. Oh, by the way, thanks Dan, my patient Dan, donated this beautiful kale, and it's filled with vitamins and minerals. It's the best food you can get, and you know it's good for you because it's marked with dark green. The good Lord marked fruits and vegetables with bright and rich colors. This is a rich green. You can see, I'll put it up to the camera. That is just good for you. But how are you gonna eat that? How would that be enjoyable? You better put some sweet in there. I'm gonna put some blueberries. That's good brain food, by the way. I'm putting in some pineapple too to sweeten it up, obviously. And I'm about to make a smoothie, summer smoothie, and I'll put some yogurt in as well. There's some water already in the blender. You might put some ice in there. It's easy to get dehydrated during the summer. You could use other ingredients as well. You could put some garlic in there if you brave. You could put some banana in there, sweeten it up. If you were to sit there and chew all of this stuff, it'd be tedious. Maybe you're backed up. Maybe you've been having a lot of pizza and pasta and cheese. That kale will clean you out. You'll just feel energized. You start your day like this, you're going to have one of your best mornings. You're going to feel really strong. Baby, not too hard to do. The blender's doing the work for me. I'm cooking, but I'm not cooking. This is going to taste good. Yes, 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 yes. Ow! Hey. To your health. A la salute. To your health. Share if you care, like, subscribe. I'll be back with something powerful and positive for you and yours. Let's stay healthy all year long. Let's do it together. This is very simple and easy to do. Put in some kale, some ice, some water, some pineapple, with some fruit to sweeten it up, even some honey if you'd like. That food is good for you. The good Lord marked fruits and vegetables with dark, rich colors to indicate what you should be eating. It's not always easy to eat right. I want to try this right now. That's just very good for you. It cleans out some of the pizza and cheesy things you've been eating if you haven't been eating right all the time. I don't eat right all the time, and I'm a nutritionist. But if you haven't been eating right all the time, this is a good way to start your day or even have it for lunch and clean up some breeze. I'll be back with something powerful and positive for you and yours. Share if you care, like, subscribe. I'll see you soon.